Hi everybody, it's Mr. A with Alisal Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. Welcome to our next video, this time for the game Spectrogram. Let's click on it and see what Spectrogram is all about. We see a blank black screen with some options at the bottom. I'm going to ignore these first two on the left and skip right to this. This is a flute. Oh, so Spectrogram shows you the sound waves made by a bunch of different sounds and instruments. This is the sound waves made by a flute. Next option is a harp. A harp is played by plucking the strings. Notice here, as the sounds go down, the red part gets bigger and bigger. Lower sounds have big, wide sound waves. Whistling. A little simple sound. That's actually important. We're going to talk about that later in a little bit. There's not a lot of color here. Trombone has a ton. We're going to talk about that again a little more later. A drum machine. You might have heard a drum machine in various songs that you like. They are very popular for singers and beat makers to use, making popular songs. Bird whistles. Now here's a little history lesson for some of you. A modem. If you hear sounds that sound kind of like you're on the phone with somebody or dialing, right here, that's because the way that we used to get on the internet when I was a lot younger and even my teachers were in school, you had to use a modem, and that was run through something kind of like a phone line, and that's why it sounds like that. And our last option for Spectrogram is called a wine glass. The wine glass doesn't make this sound when you hit it on the table. And don't take a glass and break it, please. If you take some water and rub it around the rim of the glass, you can make this sound. I'm going to include a video on our website of how to do this as well. It's a fun little experiment, but please ask your parents first before taking any glasses out of the cupboard. See you guys next for part 2, where we're going to talk about these two other options for Spectrogram. Have fun with this. Bye-bye now.